Hi friends, welcome back. In today's session we are going to see a program to reverse a string in Java. Okay, so to reverse a string we need two string variables. First one is to store a original string. Okay, let's say hello, we want to reverse a hello. Okay, and the second one is to store the output, means the reverse of the hello string. Okay, so reverse, and initially it will be empty. Okay, so to reverse a string, first we need to calculate the length of this string. Okay, so how can we calculate the length of the string? In the string class we have a length method. By using that length method we can calculate the length of the string. Okay, so int length is equal to str.length. Okay, so what is the length of the hello? 5. Okay, so in string class length method will give us a length of the string. Okay, so length of the string is a 5. Then here we are going to use a for loop. Okay, so for loop will start from the length minus 1. Okay, length minus 1. Why? Because the string index is starting from 0. Okay, so the last character is at the position of the 4. Okay, and the first character is at the position of the 0. Okay, and we want to reverse this string, so last character is at the position of the 4 and the length of the string is 5. So 5 minus 1, 4. Okay, we will get a 0 O. Okay, then this loop will continue till I is greater than is equal to 0, because the first index is at the position of the 0. Okay, then decrement the value of the I. Okay, and inside the for loop we will amend the reverse with the this ith position character. So here int I is equal to length minus 1. Okay, so reverse is equal to reverse plus str dot. In the string class we have one more method, character at, char at. Okay, so in the char at we will provide the index position and it will give us a character at the specified index. Okay, so char at index I. Okay, so at the index of the I, currently we have a I is equal to length minus 1. So length is 5, 5 minus 1, 4. At the fourth position we have character O. Okay, so this O will concatenate with this reverse. Reverse is initially empty, so here we will get O. Okay, then I value will decrement. Okay, so like this loop will execute till I is greater than is equal to 0, means at the 0 till the 0th position, and we will get the reverse of the hello. Okay, and after completing the for loop, outside the for loop we will print the reverse string. Okay, understood how can we reverse a string in Java? Okay, so let's do the same in the Eclipse. I already created one class reverse string example. Okay, so here we will take one string variable to store a original string which is hello, and the second string variable to store a output, means the reverse of the hello. Okay, then we will start a for loop. For loop will start from str dot length minus 1 position. Okay, till I is greater than is equal to 0. Okay, then I value will decrement. Inside the for loop we will concatenate the character with this reverse string. So reverse is equal to reverse plus str dot char add. Okay, see here, character add. In the character add method, what is the parameter? Int index, means we are providing the index, and it will give us a return a char value at the specified index. Okay, so here what is the index value? I. Okay, then after coming outside the for loop, we can print the reverse of the string. Okay, so reverse of original string is reverse. Okay, so let's save this program and see what output we will get. Reverse of the hello is OLLEH. Okay, understood? How can we reverse a string in Java? Okay, so one more approach is there to reverse a string. In Java we already have a standard API, so using that standard API we can reverse a string. Okay, so let's see how can we reverse a string using the standard API. So for now I will comment this code. Okay, and here we will start the coding of the standard API approach. Okay, so we already have here the original string hello. Okay, and this reverse we don't require now. Okay, so in string we don't have a reverse method. Okay, see here, string dot reverse, we are getting a error. See here, what's the error? The method reverse is undefined for the type string. Okay, in the string we don't have a reverse method. String is a immutable class. Immutable means what? Once we create any object of the string, we cannot perform a changes on the same object. Okay, but in the string buffer we can perform the any changes or modification we want. Okay, so we have a string buffer. Okay, string buffer, we will create the object of the string buffer sb is equal to new string buffer. Okay, and here we will provide this string, original one. Okay, string, sorry. Okay, and in the string buffer class we already have a reverse method. Okay, so just in the system.out.println we will write sb dot reverse. Okay, then we have to convert back this to the string. Okay, so for this we have two string method. Okay, so let's see what output we should get here. Original string is a hello. Okay, so output should be OLLEH. See here, see here, we get the reverse of the original string. Okay, what we did here, just we created a string buffer object, and in the string buffer we already have a reverse method. So using that reverse method we reverse the string and converted back to the string. Okay, so is this simple one. But in the interview, interviewer mostly ask the first approach. Okay, he will ask you to write a code to reverse a string manually by writing your custom logic. Okay, so you should know both the ways. Okay, so understood how can we reverse a string manually by writing a custom logic and using a standard API. Okay, understood. Thank you. If you have any questions, you can ask me in comment section. Okay, thank you for watching.